Welcome to Storytime. Today we're going to be reading a book called If You Were Here. This book is written by Kathy Stinson and illustrated by Maya McKibben, who is of Ojibwe and Irish descent. I hope you enjoy this beautiful book today. Now let's get ready for story time.
I'm along, it's story time with So's tales in gentle rhyme. Books that dance and voices sing, adventures bloom on every wing. From distant lands to backyard fun, there's magic here for everyone. Gather round, let's take a look at the wonders in a book.
If you were here, I wish you were here. In this great big meadow, like a sea of lacy clouds, where you can hear busy insects buzz and the quiet of a butterfly wing. If you were here, we would smell the damp mushrooms and moss deep inside these woods. See the pine trees like towers so high and hear whispers in the needles on the ground. We'd taste the ocean salt in the breeze and catch the slippery smell of kelp. Find bubbles and squiggles like art in the sand and treasures washed up by the storm. We would see light poking through clouds, making puddles of silvery sun, and hear pebbles saying clickety-clack and waves saying shush, shush, shush. If you were here, we would feel the tickle of sea foam swish up between our toes. And we'd follow Sandpiper's footprints as they tiptoe skitter away. We would stretch, you and me, like these crooked old trees, our long arms holding the sky. Trace spider webs sparkling with diamonds, and feel the warm sun kissing our faces. My very best place would be even better if you were here with me. Sometimes I feel like you are. The end. Thank you so much for reading this story with me today. I hope that you are able to find some peace if you are missing someone today. And I hope that you come back and check often as I read new stories each week. Have a beautiful day.